at the Markets with David Modell.
Hi everybody, and welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. I want to tell you about this one company that I'm super excited about, and I want you to check it out. And I'm going to show you a couple of articles that I read that are really fascinating. It's about computing power. A lot of companies just are not keeping up with the demands of computing power. Some companies are still using old-fashioned CPU-based power. What we need now is GPU-based power. It's much more robust, and it's even better if you can put it on the blockchain. And there's one company that's doing that and doing it great right now. It is called Tatau. And well, let's check out this article that I found. I think you'll like it a lot. I'm going to put all these links are going to be in the description below this video, so you can read it for yourself. Tatau launches first AI that's artificial intelligence ready decentralized supercomputing platform. I love this because they're combining, first of all, computing power, yes, but it's decentralized, and so you've got that blockchain technology there, and it's AI ready, artificial intelligence. This is a game changer. So according to this article, Tatau, a technology company delivering cost-effective and efficient computing outcomes to the AI, artificial intelligence industry, announced the launch of its blockchain-based supercomputing platform. If you're into computing and you like your computing to be super powerful and robust like I do, you're going to love this. Tatau is the first commercially viable, decentralized supercomputer pre-configured to perform deep learning and other advanced AI operations. Tatau's compute pricing is substantially more cost-effective than traditional suppliers. Furthermore, Tatau utilizes a function-as-a-service model to deliver computing outcomes as opposed to computer instances. And so Tatau is essentially unlocking non-traditional sources of computation. It's really disruptive in a good way. They're increasing the supply, reducing prices, cost-effective, introducing outcome-based computing, and opening up opportunities. Much more robust than the traditional sources, as we can see. So I'm going to put a link in the description below this video. You can read this whole article for yourself. Here's another one. And this one says it's a beginner's guide to Tatau, blockchain-based AI computing platform. Once again, Tatau, a distributed computing platform with a focus on enterprises. The platform is based on the blockchain and uses artificial intelligence to tap into the underutilized GPU, as opposed to CPU, resources around the world. And this is important because what problem is Tatau solving? The team behind Tatau feels that the current data centers that are CPU-based have not evolved enough as innovative technologies arise. Specific advances that have been overlooked include video rendering, streaming analytics, and artificial intelligence, of course. To resolve that issue, Tatau provides a distributed computing platform that focuses on providing computing resources to enterprises undertaking complex computations in the artificial intelligence vertical. The platform offers blockchain-based processing services. That's key here. It's on the blockchain. And you know me, you've seen my videos. You know I like just about anything that uses the blockchain effectively, and Tatau is doing that. I want you to visit their website, tatau.io, and the link, again, click on that link, tap on that link in the description below the video to go there. It's a blockchain-based AI computing platform tapping into underutilized GPU, not CPU, computing resources worldwide. And you can log in and sign up right here with that button, and you can read the white paper. Let's take a look at the white paper really quickly. We're not going to read the whole thing because it is long and very detailed, but it's really fascinating. Lots of information here in their white paper. And so you want to go past the table of contents and go to the background. It says right here, today, artificial intelligence powers so many things. Phones, computers, household thermostats, voice-activated virtual assistants, online purchases. It's just the beginning of the transformative impact that artificial intelligence will have on society. It's huge. If you're not aware of artificial intelligence, if you're not adapting to it, your jobs could be in trouble and your business could be in trouble. So you want to look at GPU. as opposed to CPU. This is right here in the white paper. And the recent interest in GPU comes from the unique benefits that the GPU offers when applied to artificial intelligence and graphics rendering. GPUs can process hundreds of times more threads than the current CPUs. And you can see that right here in the graphic right here. Compare the CPU, multiple cores, it's got a few, GPU, thousands of cores. What a difference. Much more robust. And so, once again, we look at the problem. Building more traditional CPU-based data centers is not going to be enough to meet the rising growth in AI. That's the problem. The CPUs in these centers are inadequate to cope with the exponential growth of artificial intelligence, video rendering, and predictive analytics. These data centers are some of the most energy-intensive building types. They're consuming a lot of energy, 10 to 50 times the energy per floor space of a typical commercial office building. So that's not good. It's very wasteful, the old-fashioned model. So how are they solving this? The issue of growing demand for computational power by artificial intelligence can be effectively met by creating a solution that utilizes both GPU-based computing for increased speed and less energy consumption, less waste, and distributed processing using available computers in a sustainable manner that reduces the environmental footprint caused by increased computing. And which company is doing that? I only see one right now. It's Tatau, a system that offers a solution to AI's ever-increasing demand for computational capacity. It's a blockchain-based platform. We talked about that. It offers an advanced, eco-friendly cloud service specifically designed for processing artificial intelligence and video rendering utilizing not CPUs, GPUs. And it is on the blockchain. Built on Ethereum, Tatau enables anyone to buy and sell computing capacity on its decentralized marketplace. And that's what you can sign up for when you go to the website. So most their funding, most of it is going to come from private investors. That's the latest update that I have on that. But you can still get involved. You can sign up for their computing power. Once again, it is less wasteful, less consuming of energy, cost-effective, and much more robust, much more powerful than the old-fashioned CPU model. They have a technical overview here, how it works. So you're submitting the computational request to Tatau's API. And we're not going to go through the whole thing, but you can read about it on your own and see how it works. It's built on, as we mentioned, Ethereum to leverage a pre-vetted code base of smart contracts and uses the IPFS as an off-chain storage. It's really amazing. So they're utilizing the blockchain and artificial intelligence in a very intelligent way. And you can read all of the stats, all the specifics about the computational requests, how it works. It's really fascinating. So, and they have all the specs here, all the partnerships. Who are they partnering with? Some really amazing, well-known companies. Blockchain Labs, Techemy, Blockchain at Berkeley. These are partnerships. And you can read about the release schedule of the software. And meet the team, all the founders. I like it when you can learn about the highly qualified team at Tatau. So let's look at the website. Once again, the problem, existing CPU-based data centers, old-fashioned, not effectively evolving with the rise of AI, video rendering, and streaming analytics. They're solving it with a distributed computing platform focused on artificial intelligence, tapping into underutilized computing resources worldwide, blockchain-based data processing services on the Tatau platform. They're combining GPU computing and artificial intelligence with processing power, greater number of cores. Remember, we showed you that graphic, more cores as opposed to much less with the old-fashioned CPU model. This allows for faster calculations and analytical models. Greater memory capabilities, more memory bandwidth, allowing for the GPUs to process data much faster and much more efficient, 10 times more efficient, as we mentioned. GPUs can be up to 10 times more efficient than the old CPUs, allowing firms to save over power consumption. If you want better power, more power, get involved with it in the Tatau ecosystem. First, to provide proof of work computation for artificial intelligence and rendering tasks. focused on global distributed computing. The requester only pays for the computing tasks that are done. It's not wasteful. Parallelization of tasks, and offers function as a service. It's huge. They've got a vision. They've got a great team. You can meet the team. They're partnering. They've got the board there. They're the partners we talked about before, and the roadmap. I like it when they have a roadmap. I love that. You can see where they're going, what their vision is, and they're making it happen. If you want to experience the speed and ease of commoditized artificial intelligence computing, log in, sign up right here. You can also contact them, info@tatau.io. You can read their blog. I encourage you to read the white paper because that's where you get so much great information. It's unique, it's visionary, it's on the blockchain, and it's utilizing the latest in artificial intelligence technology for their computing platform, the best one out there that I see. Much more robust, less wasteful, and since it's on the blockchain, that's a huge advantage for me, because if you're on the blockchain, I probably like it a lot better, and I like this a whole lot. I want you to check it out, tatau.io. Click on the link in the description below the video, or just go right there in your browser. Type it in your phone, type it in your computer, tatau.io. Check it out. And check out those articles as well. I'll put those links in the description below this video. I'm bringing you all kinds of opportunities. This is an opportunity if you're an individual or a firm and you need or just want better, more robust, cleaner, friendlier, more eco-friendly, and more cost-effective computing. Tatau is the place to go. Thank you so much. I want you to keep checking back here at Looking at the Markets for the latest in technology, the latest in the blockchain, the latest in artificial intelligence, and opportunities that I see and I'm bringing to you. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. My name's David Modell. This is Looking at the Markets. I'll talk to you again soon.